Hi everyone, it's Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into ScaffoldIQ. I want to show you how to set up a scaffold and what to consider when doing so. Let's get started. To add a scaffold or a request to your areas, this can simply be done. Just remember, obviously when you're clicking on your contractor, what you want to add to, and then obviously remember, if you're wanting to do a request, click on this filter, pick request, add a scaffold, click on the scaffold filter, and then choose your area of where you're wanting to be. And as you can see, you can zoom in if you can see where you need to be. Say if I'm working on this school again, picking another area, that's simple. Or I can change my satellite view to street view, and as you can see with this view, you can see all your road names within this area, so you can actually pinpoint where you actually need to be. So I'm going to add a scaffold in here. I've got sub areas under here. Obviously I'm in the Carcroft area, so I'm going to click on Carcroft. I want to add a scaffold. I'm going to say I'm going to do work at this house. Click OK. Fill out all the information I need to add in for this scaffold, my location, the address, the description of work, the length, the height, the legs, all the information clearly add in, my planned build. So obviously I'm adding a scaffold here, so obviously I'm building it today. So just click on my date of today, my planned dismantle, my actual build date will be the same of today, and then just pick your requester. So this is a Doncaster Council person, so I'm going to pick David Smith. My scaffolder, which will be me, I'm going to put the scaffold up. The foreman of the site will be a Doncaster Council person again, so I'm going to pick him. The inspector of the scaffold afterwards could either be the scaffolder himself or a designated person for inspecting this scaffold. So I'm just going to put Ethan Christian. I'm going to assign it to me because it's me that's doing the work, and as you can see, my area has been chosen. So I've picked Doncaster Council. The area, sub area underneath is Carcroft. Project, maintenance, turnaround, so this is just maintenance. The contractor, Doncaster Council. Priority, it's only a medium to low priority, so I'll pick medium. If you've got an order number, fill the order number in. Load rating, depending on what type of scaffold you're doing, so I'll put medium. And yeah, just fill all your information in, how you need it, add your pictures. And the beauty of this is you don't have to fill out everything at once. Okay, you can click OK. And there you go, my scaffold's there. I can click on it and then I can go back into details and fill in rest of my information in. Obviously, once it's built, fill all the information in, my leg, my length, my width, my decks, the height of the scaffold, base elevation, and obviously add my pictures of the scaffold as well as any drawings that was given. I can always add these in just by clicking edit. It's as simple as that. It's so simple to add a scaffold in, and it's same as for requests. So if I stick into requests, I can say, right, I'm gonna add a request. I'm gonna go next door this time. Click OK, and there you go again. Fill out all the information as needed. So we recommend this is for your estimating, or your customer could actually fill this out himself if he's got access to this and able within the roles and responsibilities to fill this out, and it's as simple as that. There you go. I hope this helps. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe for more to come.